skills to start attending interviews. So to bridge that gap, I thought this will be useful for me. So that's the reason.
Great. So a good idea, like, can you please brief yourself, like, brief in a sense, like how many years experience you have, and have you attended any interviews, or what are the technical stack that you learned? Okay,
Yeah.
so where you are
Yeah.
getting stuck. So, or do you have a real experience, or you want to fill your gap? So, what exactly it is?
Yeah, sure. I have a total 10 years of experience. Initially, I worked as SQL, I mean PL SQL developer, later
Mm-hmm.
as Informatica ab initio, and maybe
Mm-hmm.
from past 4 5 years, I have been into big data support projects.
Mm-hmm.
In support project, Scoop and Hive, Spark, all projects I have, and I
Mm-hmm.
have hands-on, bit of hands-on.
Okay.
Um, yeah, that's all. I mean, I had attended interviews maybe like 1 year back.
Okay.
I was able to clear like first round interviews and all, but I wasn't confident enough to uh, clear the interviews. So
Where are you
that
lagging actually? Currently, where are you lagging?
I think the scenario based questions, anything specific questions about the how to handle data load on those questions. I mean, anything the usual interview questions that we get on internet, that and all I am able to answer.
Mm-hmm.
But scenario based questions. I mean, I registered for the um, demo project as well. I was thinking that I'll go through the demo project and then attend this interview sessions. But since that
Great.
is getting delayed, so I thought I'll
Yeah,
attend
yeah.
it.
No worries. No worries. You please try to
And
leverage
also, I mean,
the
the
question sessions.
one thing I wanted to tell is, there is no structure to my preparation, so that's where I needed help. Um,
So if it is so, I already mentioned, right? Why don't you take a support one as well? Because in support one, we already started today, and I explained what to learn, what not to learn. So I strongly recommend, guys. This won't take much amount, right? It's just 500 rupees is very, very nominal. Okay, so try to leverage it. Though you already having some technical background, but the questions may come from any of this stage. Okay, so don't think that okay, I'm good at here, and if I go through this too, then I can able to clear the interviews. No, this is also very important. The three programs which we taken up are really needed to become a complete big data engineer or a cloud engineer. Getting me? I'm not forcing you to do so, but you come to know. Even you will get a lot of things. You can ask like one of our who is that Rahul. Rahul, I think you are here, right? Rahul joined first session, and now he joined second
Yes, yes,
session.
that's yeah,
And Rahul, you can just to give your few words what you got some idea from our first session.
yeah. Like today was the first session, and Naresh has given overview on the roadmap, like what all things we need to compulsory go through, like SQL, Python, Linux, and RDBMS concepts. Then he has given topics on data engineering also, what we need to skip or what we need to have mandatory while going through the data engineering concepts. And also we have asked him like cloud data engineer topics, so he has given some topics which we need to brush up before, or we need to practice before interview. So this all idea we got in the first session. And also that after that he has given like if all the this if all thing if all knowledge we have on this topic, then we can go for the projects, then the interview preparations. So these all things we got. Also we have a sheet in this first part, where we can give our input doubts, so we can ask, or he will explain in the session, Saturday Sunday sessions. So yeah, that's it, sir.
Yeah, thank you. And if you see, we have this one. You can directly, if you do not have any idea, you utilize these links and get it done. If you still have any questions, and this is a this is a sheet where you can just record your questions one day before of this session, and then if possible we will try to address it. Okay, so there are a lot many things are going on. Okay, try to utilize. So okay, and if you feel better, you pay only for 1 month, and then after attending 4 sessions for each support, if you feel that this is the 500 is not worth, then you don't join in a second month, because this is first this is a like a subscription model, like it is monthly, right?
Yeah, I
So we
mean,
will we
so
start from the beginning, or what you exactly
no,
uh,
I mean, even I thought I will attend one session and see the support one. This one.
mm,
But I have already gone through those topics. So I have
okay,
watched a lot of YouTube videos. I have worked on Scoop, Spark, and all.
okay, okay,
So
fine.
maybe I'll try with this first, maybe,
No worries, no
and
worries, that is
you
up to
know,
you,
yeah,
up to you. And uh, so when you read something and get some doubts, right, please try to record the doubts in the sheet. Okay,
yeah, sure.
we will discuss in this call. And yes, let me open. Yes, here resume review. Okay, um, as part of support 3, right, these and all we are going to cover. So you please upload your resume. I already given a link here, request resume review. And if you open this, right, if you open this, one form will be appear like this pop up. You just fill it and upload your resume here. Upload your resume here. So if you upload your resume, right, so what I will do is, like, I will get, where is that? Mm, I will get a sheet something like this. Okay, so let us say Satyam, his resume is this. Is Satyam joined in this call? Oh, not joined. Fine. See this. So what we will do, we will discuss. Let us say your name is Satyam. Then I will go through your resume, and then try to give my inputs. Okay. So whether this project is good, or this number of pages are fine, or is there anything else we supposed to change? Okay. We will discuss, or we will review it and do it. Fine, Balu. Okay.
Yeah, sure, Naresh.
You
Okay.
please go here. I think you have a link, right? So
Yeah, yeah.
submit
Yes.
this form. It won't take more than 2 minutes. Okay.
Okay. You want us to do now or
You
later?
can do it, but you can do it later, because
Okay.
I will take a call from different. But what I
Okay.
want to, through you, what I want to share is like, as we committed, so a resume review, because this is 1 month, right? So I have to give all these inputs to you in this month, and I will give you a tip to how to explain a project in one of the session. I will explain, and we'll ask you to whenever you are ready in this month only. Okay, you tell me. We will have a one mock interview. Okay, one mock interview may not be in this call. Whenever we are available and you are available, uh, me, if required, one more person will also join as a panelist. We will see you where you are lagging. Okay, and also we'll give you feedback what needs to be done. Got it?
Naresh, this will be one to one because these are all individual.
This is one to one. This is one to
Oh,
one. Yeah. Okay. So this resume is common, because you don't want to show your resume.
I mean, if there is an option not to show, I we would prefer that.
Okay, no worries. So, okay, what we will do is like you just upload your resume, okay,
Okay.
and we will discuss whenever we have a mock interview.
Okay. Yeah.
Fine. Mock in at
Yes.
the time of mock interview, that is one to one. I will also give some inputs on this. Okay.
Okay.
And
Okay.
interview tips and all that may be a common for all. We will discuss this topic commonly. Correct.
Okay. Yeah.
So, so probably you send your resume and also mention your available time. I'm not sure whether I have given option that remarks. In the remarks, you please mention
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
like any day after 4 or any day after 5 or else weekend, weekend so and so time. Okay.
Yeah.
Like that, you please write whatever you want to write here and send it so that I will go to the remarks.
Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't mention it. Can I submit it again?
Yes, yes. Once you open it, right, it will
Yeah.
show you like you already submitted, but click on edit and submit again.
Fine.
Okay, fine. Guys, so yeah, another one. Anybody?
Uh,
Joel?
yeah, hi Naresh, Joel this side.
Yeah, Joel.
Yeah, Naresh, I have 2 years of experience on mainframes. So
Mm-hmm.
initially it was scripting, but now it's more of support.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so but then I've been learning big data from July last year. So it's
Mm-hmm.
around 6 months of being completed, and I've also attended few interviews. I was
Mm-hmm.
able to clear 1, 2 interviews the first round. After that, I haven't heard back. And one of the other interviews I could clear, but it was more of SQL and Python. But the problem that I'm facing right now is I've kept a personal project as mine. Like I
Mm-hmm.
haven't shown that I have experience, I have prior experience in big data.
Okay.
Yeah, so I've kept a personal project that I've done from Udemy, and that is how I'm applying for interviews.
Okay.
So when the recruiters call me, they ask if I have relevant experience, or they like ignore me if I don't have relevant experience. So what should I do to?
First of all, your question not so clear, but you are saying
Okay,
2 years experience, right?
yeah, I have 2 years experience, but not zero experience in big data.
Okay, got it. Mm.
Yeah,
Where
so
are you experienced? Like, where
it,
are
it,
you strong?
it's on mainframes right now.
Okay,
But then I've been learning big data from 6 months.
fine.
Like I'm well prepared for the interviews, but the problem is since I don't have prior
Okay,
experience, they're
okay,
rejecting me straight out. Yeah,
okay. Got it.
yeah,
Got it. I
yeah.
understood your concern. Like, you said you learning big data stack, right? How many
E-
tools that you learn?
Starting from Hadoop to Spark and Databricks. Hadoop,
Hadoop.
Hive,
Uh,
Scoop,
okay.
Spark, and Databricks.
You are good at in that stack?
Yeah, good in the sense intermediate level of yeah, intermediate I can say.
So, may I know why you haven't taken a support one?
Yeah, I've been already learning it, so
Mhm.
I am good with all the concepts.
Okay.
Yeah,
Then,
like I've
then,
yeah,
then you are saying that due to lack of experience, right?
yes, like
And you
I'm
already mentioned one of the project you said, correct?
yes, that is under a personal project I'm keeping.
That's fine. That's fine. But you're trying to climb the 2 years on a big data.
No. Like 2 years, I'm showing it as experience on mainframes and big data experience in a personal project. So when
What is the meaning of personal project?
personal project is just a project from Udemy that I've done.
You showed the same, like in an interviewer that you said, I completed a personal project on Udemy.
Yes.
Oh my God. How come? How come? Like, first of all, you tell me, guys,
Uh,
rest of the folks here, right? Guys, can you please, anybody, can you please answer to Joel? Is it correct thing?
no. The thing is, I don't want to
2 years
fake my
experience as
experience.
a
No,
big
yeah,
data.
Joel, where are
Not
you? Where are you?
No.
In 2023, yeah.
The
Hey,
thing is, if
see,
I'm caught bluffing, no, I'm like,
no, let me tell you. Let me tell
yeah,
you. Let me tell
yeah,
you.
yeah.
Have you, do you know this code basics?
Code basics. It's a
Dhaval
website,
Patel?
right? No.
Anybody
Okay,
from this group?
that guy, Power BI.
Yes, Power BI
Okay.
and all.
Yes,
Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay. Yeah, I
If
know.
anybody following,
yes.
he hired a people without interview,
Okay.
without seeing their background.
Okay.
How come it is possible? Is it right thing or bad thing? Guys, can you please comment it?
It's a bad thing we can say.
How come?
Means if someone is hiring on data engineering, hiring some people
Mhm.
on data engineering, and without interview if you are taking, then uh, he will take time to learn and he will work later, so it will be waste
Let
of
me tell
time.
you. Let me tell you. Let me tell you. How it was happened is because they are running some some assignments, some projects. Okay. So project one, project two, project three. Now almost hundreds or hundred people are submitting those. They are filtering out a top people and select and giving some prizes for them, and they are showcasing in their websites. Okay, the people who are top 3 or top 10 are highly talented, highly I'm not saying experienced, but highly talented, and they can able to do the work which they're given. Okay, personally one or two are in touch with me, and they are very much talented. I spoke with them, though they do not have a much knowledge or much practical experience. Okay, on paper, right? So I'm telling you, let us say if I am a owner of the company and if I have some work, okay, then you people came to me, and if I feel anybody can able to do that work, then that that's all my requirement, right?
Okay.
Why should I, go through you are from IIM, you are from IIT, or you
Yeah.
are from so and so company?
Correct.
So
Yes.
it's company to company. And coming to your question, Joel,
Yeah.
you're not you're not bluffing anyone. Okay,
Okay.
my if you ask me, right, my advice is first of all you
Mm-hmm.
stop saying that.
Saying that I've done a personal project.
Yes,
Okay.
you stop saying that. That is the
Okay.
first thing, because being an interviewer, I'm saying this word.
Okay.
Okay, we are in a different generation where people are believing our papers,
Mm-hmm.
not our talent, many cases,
Okay.
unfortunately.
Okay.
But this should change, and it will change in coming
Yeah.
future.
Hope so.
Okay,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So suggestion for you is
Mm-hmm.
first of all do a end-to-end project.
Yeah. The project that I've done is end to end.
Okay,
Like,
okay,
okay.
we'll do one thing. We'll do
Uh-huh.
one thing.
Mm-hmm.
Submit your form. I don't know whether you submitted or not, and submit your resume.
Okay.
We will go with a mock interview. We will
Okay.
judge you. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
myself and my colleague may come.
Mm-hmm.
So we will judge you whether you are at par or not.
Okay. The thing is, like, initially recruiters call us right after we submit our resumes.
Mhm.
So that time they ask for your relevant experience in big data. So that time I
Can you
say
please let me know your designation?
uh, software engineer, associate consultant, right?
So it is very easy for you.
Okay.
You you say I started. I'm doing a big. I'm a big data developer.
Okay.
Whatever the experience which I have, because you are
Mm-hmm.
only just 2 years experience, right? You can claim it
Mm.
as a 2 years experience, but some
Okay.
condition. One is
Mm.
to to showcase as a 2 years experience complete and big data. You should be strong knowledge in a big data concepts as well as the
Mm.
good hands-on on a project.
Hmm. Yeah.
Then you can show as a yes, whatever the
Yes.
experience I have so far, I work as a big data developer or a projects.
Hmm.
Now, now if you are able to clear that exam or sorry interview,
Hmm.
I'm sure you will select.
Okay.
It
But
is for very easy for you, I can say, because
okay.
you are in a different stage, right? So definitely
Hmm.
it is very easy for you to crack.
Hmm. But what I've heard is the interview discussion will be more on the project side. So if they come up with more managerial questions, uh,
See, we will discuss that manages
yeah.
also. If
Okay.
you see here, I written a last in our first session. I mentioned this. If you are able to complete
Okay.
this part 3, I mean support 3 programs,
Mm-hmm.
then you may be equal to a 2 to 3 years experience in real time professional.
Okay.
That means by the time when you complete all these stages,
Mm-hmm.
then you feel like this.
Okay.
And
Uh,
first of all, you remove that impression from
hmm.
your mind that you do not have a practical experience.
Yeah, that is the main reason
No
for,
worries.
yeah,
Don't worry.
yeah.
Do it. What I'm saying, you
Okay.
will get a job very soon.
Yeah, thank you, Naresh.
Any
Yeah.
questions?
Yeah. And when will this project start? Like, I wish to.
Okay. Many people are asking me almost 170, 187. Let
Yeah.
me a long gap. Let me open. I'm not sure. Uh, responses. See this. Many got shown interest on this. Let me go through. Hasn't it? See this. 187 people shown interest on that.
Hmm.
So seriously, we have started.
Okay.
Right? We have a limited people. All are working in different
Yeah.
different companies.
Yeah.
They have to spend some time on weekends. Correct.
Yeah.
So yes, definitely we will come up with these two solutions. One is exclusively a big data project end-to-end discussion that is
Mm-hmm.
in detail
Okay.
how a project will be executed in our companies. A
Okay.
real-time project or big data real-time project, you can say.
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
that we are going to come up because I don't want to show a demo like 30 minutes or 40 minutes and then we are done. No,
Mm-hmm. Hmm.
because that is there in YouTube also, free of
Yeah.
cost.
Right.
Correct? No,
Yeah.
I don't want to do that. I see. Idea is like I will show you a demo that 30 minutes or 40 minutes or 1 hour a project how will be implemented in real time, and also
Mm-hmm.
we will we will tell you or we will teach you how we achieved that.
Okay. Okay.
Guys, all of you, is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm sure once we complete that project and that's it. If you are showing as a 2 to 3 years experience in big data industry, nobody will stop you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it will be end to end, like
It
how we
will
are
be
getting
end
the
to end.
request,
Yes,
how we
yes.
discuss in Scrum call and
You
all.
will do your own after completing that. You will do your own.
Okay.
If not, like this, we may have one more session, right? For support two also. In that two session, first of all, we will try to record all the videos on the end-to-end project, and we will we will give you that links. Whoever paid support two, and then we are going to conduct a Q&A. In the Q&A, we will we will explain any doubts which you have.
Okay.
Okay.
Getting me?
Yeah.
So that why I'm saying this word is because if you execute your own by seeing some videos on links or YouTube, right, then that level of confidence will be completely different. You feel like you did that project.
Mhm.
Hmm.
Somewhere you stuck, no worry. In a weekend we will discuss.
Okay. The payment link is not active yet, right? For
Yeah, I don't want to take a payment because we have to be ready, right? So why should
okay.
I
Okay.
give false commitment? I don't want to give a false
Okay.
commitment.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, Naresh.
No worries. So
Thank you.
I didn't given a payment link, purposefully. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
And moreover, I already told this point to in session one. So parallelly, we are also working on PySpark live session tutorials. So I'm not sure when I'm going to come up, but yes, I will try to take, or my colleagues or me will try to take a exclusive class for PySpark.
Okay.
That will be a online training exclusively from Clever Studies. Okay, so we will announce that those who are interested may take that opportunity, but that is a tutorial, not that is not a Q&A session, and that where we will teach.
Mhm.
So that will come very soon, maybe in a month or two. Okay, guys, any questions?
Naresh, I have one doubt, Naresh.
Hi, Aarti. Yeah.
Yes. Like I want to attend mock interviews.
Hmm.
Like when will this be possible?
Okay, Aarti, you might join little late. I explained the process.
Yes, 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 yes.
So hope you paid. If not, don't worry, you can pay.
Yes, yes, I paid.
Okay.
I paid.
So okay, great. So once you pay, right, you may click this link, correct?
Mhm.
If you click this link, then you redirect to this page. Fine. Okay. If you have opted for three, support three, then please click this. Okay, this link.
Okay.
Then you
Mm-hmm.
will get this form.
Okay.
Okay. Once you fill this
Okay.
and upload your resume and give your comments
Okay.
or remarks as a you are available, let us say weekdays or weekend or any day during so and so hours.
Okay.
If we are
Okay. Okay.
available the same day, we will try to contact you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
And we will set up
Okay,
a call,
Naresh.
one to one call, not all. Okay? It is one to one. So
Okay.
your details will come to
Okay.
us like this. Sorry, where are we? Did it open? I'm not sure. Where are we? Yeah. Yeah, like this. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Hope this is clear.
Okay. Yes.
Any
Okay.
questions?
Okay,
Any questions?
Naresh.
No problem. Any questions, guys?
Naresh, actually,
Hmm.
I'm I have near about 7.9 years of experience, and
Oh, great.
I have completed sorry, I have worked initially as on application support project, but from past 4 to 5 years I am working on working as a DBA. Also, parallelly, I was trying for data engineering role, but I didn't get chance in my current company or outside also, because I was not able to crack interviews. Also, in between I have completed some data science projects, also learnings also, so I have knowledge on data science also.
Hmm.
But I like to go in data engineering field only. So so I before 1 or 2 month some issue came and I went to my hometown.
Okay.
And before that I have given around 15 interviews, and I was getting stuck on some in interviews. I was getting stuck on some topics, like sometimes they ask, if they ask me on functional Python programming, I used to answer that. But
Mm.
if they ask me like the complete, like using classes, inheritance, subs concept,
Mm.
iterator, generator, I'm not good in that is the issue I was facing. But I am
Mm.
trying to learn that. Also, it will be helpful which you have given me, the link which you have given in the spreadsheet. I will go through that and I will learn. And
Mhm.
second thing, I was getting initially, I faced issue on Spark, clusters and all. If means I was not having idea if there will be more cluster, then what will be the issue? If there will be less clusters, nodes, what will be the issues, like that. So I have some doubt in that area also. Also, as I spoke you in my first session, that I got some questions related to data warehousing and data lakes. That thing you have explained me concepts. So I was getting stuck in that area also.
Yeah, yeah. So if it is a common questions, then I mean the questions you can. I already told you to fill it. Okay, you can
Yeah.
fill that form, and we'll discuss. Like let us say you are asking some doubts on some topics, right? So
Mhm.
you please try to record. I already told you where to record in our previous session. Okay, so that
Okay.
related because this session is a bit different, right? Not explaining the core concepts
Yes,
here.
yes, yes,
It's
yes.
completely a interview
Int-
related things. Okay,
interview related. Yes.
so but whatever you're asking is a mix of that. So we will discuss accordingly. Okay,
Okay. Also,
so
I try to go with at least 2 to 3 years of experience in data and
okay,
engineering role.
no worries, no worries, no
Yeah.
worries. So what is your current designation? Are you working?
Yes, I'm working. My current designation is database management analyst.
Database management analyst. Okay. 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 Your designation itself is that?
Yes, senior database analyst and management analyst.
Okay. Okay. So
So
you
it's
are to.
completely on as a DBA role on Oracle and SQL, MS SQL. I am working as a
Okay.
DBA.
Okay. Understood. Understood. But if you want to become a data engineer or want to work on data engineer, you have to somehow do a publicity that you are having experience on
Yes, I
big
am
data
doing.
also, right?
I'm doing that, but
So
I don't have a good real-time knowledge. That's the reason, they are catching me.
Rahul,
Yeah.
you are already working. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So just stay with us. Just to
Sure.
stay with us next couple of months. I'm
Mhm.
sure in one of the call you only tell that I already placed. Okay.
Yes, sure. Sure, sir.
No need to worry. Be cool and concentrate. Don't take it all at a time. Okay,
Hmm.
please.
Yes.
Okay, don't be hurry. Don't be tense. Okay, so please try to stay with us and just listen and follow.
Okay.
But we need to spend some time. We need to have some patience. Okay,
Sure. Sure.
good things will happen a bit late, but it will happen.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right? Yeah.
Yeah.
No need to worry. We will one by one. We will discuss. No hurry.
Sure. Okay.
Okay. So, guys, anybody, any questions? We have 10, just 10 to 15 minutes, I think.
Naresh, I have few doubts.
Yeah, Arti. First of all, let me know your
Yes,
background, Arti.
yes, that's what I was coming. This is Aarti. Like I was working as a testing engineer. Now I shifted to big data. I completely did a self study YouTube and also joined one course and I have attended. I don't
Mhm.
want to mention here the company name.
Okay, no
So
problem.
okay, I have cleared the interview and I have also joined the company. Now what
Okay.
happened? Now I want to clear the client interview.
Oh,
Now
okay.
I have already given one client interview, but the
Mhm.
problem with me is when they ask the real time question, I get caught.
Mhm.
When they ask the
Okay.
theoretical question, like explain the Spark
Yeah,
architecture
yeah, yeah.
and explain, yeah, I can able to do all the theoretical question, but
Mhm.
one scenario where I get caught was the interviewer in the client interview asked me like
Mhm.
in GitHub question. I got there.
Oh,
So
okay.
the interviewer asked me like, how will you from the when you're going to redo your code and what would be the command you will give and push your code.
Mhm.
Likewise, she asked me. I could
Okay.
not able to answer at that point. Another one question also it was a scenario based question.
Okay.
It is in Scala. So I was
Okay.
not able to give answer for this two questions, but other questions like they asked me to write an SQL program to find the highest salary and also a word
Mhm.
count program they asked me to write that and all I was able to manage that and all I
Mhm.
wrote, but for this real time question I was not able to give them the answer. So now they are now the client got rejected me, so now I am in
Okay.
the condition. Like it is already been 2 months. I'm still in the bench.
Okay.
So just only one client interview. They in this 2 months I have attended only one client interview. It
Okay.
is a financial sector. From financial sector, this client interview I have attended. I don't know. Like still I did not get any other clients for the interview. So I am preparing side by side, but when it comes to this real time scenario based questions, like this GitHub questions and all, like I'm getting caught there. That's what in my case.
I understood Arti completely.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Mm-hmm.
fortunate is like you are having a good knowledge on theoretical side. That's what you are saying.
Yes. Yes.
And
Yes. Yes.
your solution is like you have to have a knowledge not only on Git. Okay. Now this client asks
Mm-hmm.
you questions on Git or
Yes.
version control,
Yes. Yes.
but some other client will come and ask you like Jira or ServiceNow how you are maintaining these tickets, or this is also one of
Yes.
the
Yes.
and agile methodology. Okay. and
Mhm.
agile basis,
Yes.
right? Nowadays nobody is doing waterfall. Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
what is agile? And then another one like SDLC, or what are the process that you, because these are
Yes.
all things that an experienced person supposed to have, right? And I
Yes.
forgot to mention this in my first session, but yes, going forward in the next session, I will try to. If
Mhm.
you are showing as a experienced person, you supposed to have knowledge on these
Yeah.
areas also.
I have showed 3 years of experience.
Then everybody, I think, if we show 1 year, 0 year, then we won't get a calls, right? 2 to 3 years minimum
Yeah.
we have to show.
Yes.
Okay, so then always we have to learn these. Okay, and
Mhm.
people may not ask this putty and all, but yes, people may ask some questions on Agile or the ticketing tools as well as the Git version. Okay, so
Yes.
this is where people are lagging in real time, because
Mhm.
nobody is saying or nobody is telling in institutes, right? This way,
Yes. Yes.
unfortunately.
Yes. Yes.
So I just brought some links, and if you get a chance,
Okay.
please go through it. And these are only sample. If you feel any other which are helpful to learn Git, please go and get idea. Once you complete it, right,
Um.
these courses,
Mhm.
I think you can send. You can implement the same. Take any project. Have you are you going to take a support 2 also? That is our
Yes, I'm
healthcare
planning
project.
to do because I don't have any real-time working experience. I just used Cloudera to using like Scoop. During practice sessions, like import export, I practiced in Cloudera. So like bits and pieces only I have practiced,
Yeah,
not
yeah,
in a
yeah.
full
Understood.
stretch.
Understood. So I
Uh,
think this will solve
yes.
many of our problems, I think so. So I'm
Mhm.
seriously looking into it. But yes, very soon. But meanwhile, don't waste your time and go here and get all the knowledge here, this area.
Okay.
All are important.
This the sheet is shared with us also, Naresh.
Yes, see here. See, this is
Okay.
a sheet only, na?
Okay.
This is a
Okay.
sheet.
In this. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'll check.
Okay.
Okay, fine, I'll check.
I'm making your life easy, Aarti. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Uh,
Um,
Hello,
any
sir.
questions? Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah, Suhas.
Suhas here.
Yes,
Sir,
Suhas.
actually, I am not working yet, but from few months before, I have
Mm-hmm.
joined course and starting learning Python, SQL, Hadoop,
Mm-hmm.
Hive, and PySpark. And
Great.
recently, I am learning AWS. So, which support
Okay.
should I take? What you can suggest to me?
Okay, fine. So, first of all, I just want to know a little bit about yourself.
Mm,
Like,
mm,
yeah, I know you are learning something. I got it.
mm, okay.
What's number of years experience you have? Is there any
No, sir.
gaps, or are you
No, sir.
working?
I am
When you
recently
passed
passed
out?
out, 21.
21. Okay.
Yeah.
21. Okay. 21, we can say 21 April, May, something like
Yes.
that.
Yeah, May.
Okay. Okay. So now we will talk some good things for you.
Okay.
Okay. Number one is like you do not have a practical experience or you do not have a PR experience in any company previously, correct?
Yes, yes, yes.
Complete as a zero experience. Okay.
Yes, your experience.
Okay, fine. And but where are you at technical expertise? Like what you are doing these days, like 1.5 year almost or 2 years,
Uh,
right?
yeah, sir. I have joined one course in Pune only, and I'm
Mhm.
studying now.
Okay, you are studying.
Yeah,
Fine. Studying in a sense, what are you studying?
yeah. This AWS.
May I know who suggested to learn those many skills?
My friends have told me to join any coaching and start learning this.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Guys, rest of the folks, I'm just asking you a question.
yeah.
So, Suhas, I will come to you. I'm just asking you, rest of the people. How many of you are face this kind of situation? Will you think this kind of approach is relevant? I'm just asking you, rest of the people.
No.
No idea, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, no worries. So Suhas, yeah,
Yes, sir.
Vinod, you want to say something? Vinod, you want to say something? All right, fine. So as no worries because
Okay.
your friend circular might be give an idea.
Yeah.
That's not a wrong idea. I'm not saying that is a wrong, but it is a good. But we have to know our destination first.
Sir,
Agree?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, saying something.
Actually, I have passed in 21, and then I have joined one college as a assistant professor for 1 year. And after
Okay.
that, I have come in Pune and start studying.
Do one thing. Do one thing.
Okay.
You forget like whatever you worked as assistant professor in your one of the college.
Okay.
You forget all these things. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. What you have to do is, for your case, it will take a little time, minimum 3 to 6 months. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Don't be panic. Okay. If you want to develop your career in a good shape with
Yeah.
a good respectable mode or stage, then
Yeah.
please follow. Okay. Be
Yes,
patient
sir.
next 3 to 6 months.
Yes,
Idea
sir.
is like, first of all, there are two things we have to address in your case. One is gaining the experience on paper. Okay. And
Yeah.
the second one is gaining experience real time
Yeah.
expertise. Okay. So two things. So I will try to uh, contact one of my friend. Um, he's I think he's having one company. What he can do is like he generally executes some projects and sell it to others. Okay,
Yeah.
projects in a sense, not to us. Okay, big
Yeah.
big SAP projects or whatever. Okay, he used to
Okay.
do some what we can say some consultancy services.
Yeah. Yeah.
So what we will do is like I will try to check with him. Okay, if
Yeah.
he can offer him. I mean, I will ask him to offer you. Offer means like to work in his company. You no need to go to company.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, we will
Yeah.
give you. He and me will give you some assignments.
Yeah.
Okay, like whatever
Yes.
you just take it our end-to-end project.
Yes.
Okay, so we will give you to do that project and show you to that company.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
and first of all we will and that is one way we'll try to, because that is a legal entity and they are going to give you employment. Okay, and and then we will train you in a sense. Currently we are not started training, but support one is there, correct? Because you are already
Yes.
there, you are
Y-
already know some stack, correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
If you join support one, what will happen? We will try to give you a crispy way how much we have to learn and what
Okay.
we have to prepare. Okay,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
support 2 will do a project. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
so and support 3 anyway you're joined, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
If you continue next couple of months,
Yeah.
okay, then this area you will be strong.
Yes, sir.
Got it? and
Yes, sir.
and at the 3 months or 3 to 6 months, if you join, let us say, in that company in this week, okay,
Yeah.
that experience also will counted, correct?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
When you go any company, then you can show that. We will discuss this one to one, Suhas.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay,
Definitely.
I don't want to go in person. I mean, discuss the same thing in. But you got an idea, right?
Yeah. I got it.
Okay. So you fill that form and upload your resume and give your time, and we
Yeah.
will have a call and one mock interview, and we will try to judge you wherever you are. And you can ask me any personal questions if you have.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
We will address that and we'll try to help you. But
Yes.
I'm telling you, I don't want to show any, I don't want to redirect you to do any fraud. I'm
Yes.
against that. I'm against
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, you will get that experience only when you clear our mock interviews.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, you won't get it.
Yeah.
And you're supposed to clear, you're supposed to do your, end-to-end project by your own.
Yeah.
When we get a confidence on you, then only we will help you to get a real-time experience or a certificate.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Unless we don't give any certificate.
Yes, sir.
You got it right, what I'm
Yes,
saying?
sir. Yes, sir.
I
Thank
don't
you.
want to encourage any fake experiences. Instead, I want to, I want you ready like 2 to 3 years experience as a real-time person, like a real-time person.
Okay.
Got
Yes,
it?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Now I'm asking common question to everybody. Guys, is this approach correct or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Ultimately,
Yes.
Suha's supposed to get a job. Of
Yes.
course,
Correct.
everybody, but there is no other way, right? So if he show like he's very genuine, if you want to show that the same thing, definitely he won't get the call itself, right? He won't get the calls. How can he show he's having good experience or good knowledge? And one more, let us say if we put 1 year experience or 2 years experience, like as a assistant professor,
Yeah.
companies won't consider it at all because I know that. Okay,
Yes, sir.
we have to work hard from all the aspects, uh, gaining real time experience as well as the on paper as well as on mind, both. Is it
Okay, sir.
clear, Suhas?
Yes, yes, sir. Thank you.
No worry, no worry. Guys, any question? I think we may take our last question. We are time is up. If you have any question, then we'll take it. If not, we'll wind up for the day. Vinod, are you here?
Yes, Naresh.
You already spoke, or I don't know whether you have any
Naresh,
questions or not.
I have a total 6.6 years of experience, and
Mm-hmm.
I work for Amdocs as a data engineer.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I,
What's your
I
problem?
joined as a contractual actually in Amdocs.
Okay.
In 2nd November, my contract is over, and after that, I am attending number of interview,
Okay.
and almost a 5 to 6 client round is done, but some issue in that
Okay.
client round.
Okay. So do you know where you're lagging? Like Aarti said some reason. So like that, are you also having some doubts or questions in your mind?
Sorry.
Like, are you able to, realize like where you are lagging?
Some day-to-day activities and all like some issue like means how to ingest the data and how to process like
Okay.
in project flow.
Okay, I understood now. I think that, uh, yes. Okay, no worries. So, you supposed to take a support too, that is a end-to-end project. And
Already attend 5 to 6 client round,
I
and
understood, Vinod. I understood, Vinod. See, but the question is like, you've, have you done any real-time project in your company, in your previous
no.
experience? Okay, okay.
My
Because you are
designation as
showing
a
as a
data engineer, but not that type of work.
that is good. If you are a data engineer, then you have to develop your skill set accordingly, right?
I
So
have
are
good
you
working
good at
knowledge on Hive Spark, PySpark, Scoop, and all.
then why you didn't work any real-time projects so on as of now?
No any opportunity.
Oh, okay. Okay, no worries. So think we'll do very soon a real-time project, then that will definitely help you.
Okay.
Okay. And in these sessions also, going forward, we'll try to discuss how a real-time interview or tips. And anyway, apart from these also, we are going to take one-to-one session, only one session per month. Okay, guys, only one session per month. Yeah, I mean, one-to-one session, I mean to say, only one-to-one session. That is mock interview. We know in your case also, we'll try to take a mock interview.
Okay. My
Okay, please try to
almost
fill it.
100 to 120 friends already working in data engineer.
Sorry, 100 to?
100 to 200 friend already working in, as a
Mean
data
friends.
engineer.
Okay, your friends.
Yeah.
Oh, great. Great. No worries. So you please fill the form and upload your resume and write your comment or remarks that when you are available and all. So
Okay.
when I'm available, we'll try to schedule a call, one-to-one call.
Okay. Yeah. Not an issue.
Guys, I think I'm done for the day. Shall we close that call today?
Yeah, sure, sir. So
Yes. That's
next
enough.
week we are
Yes.
going to meet, right? Or tomorrow?
What? No,
We are
no.
going to meet tomorrow or next time.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Rahul,
Yes.
let me tell you, not only, I mean, to you, for everyone, because the session is getting recorded, you just understand, I'm also a working
Yes.
professional and I am also a family person. I have a
Yes.
family. I have to
Yes.
spend at least one day with my family. Do you agree?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
I am also a family person, so
So,
I can understand.
yeah, so thing is like, I want to dedicate this Saturday to everyone like you
Yeah.
and a Sunday to my family.
Sure. Sure. That is
Mhm.
important. Okay.
And
Thank
if
you.
you get any time in between, definitely we will have a one-to-one call, especially for mock interview
Okay. Sure. Sir. Thank
or
you.
weekend, whatever. We will try to schedule. Hope you
Okay.
understand.
Yes. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, guys. Have a nice weekend. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Same to you.
Thank you,
Bye
Naresh.
bye.